Welcome to Aviator Inspirations. My name is Yarrow and I'm a Canadian 737 pilot. I take the mystery out of the aviation industry, so if you are a pilot hoping to become a pilot or just love aviation, then this is the channel for you. I cover topics that I wish I knew when I started this career over 15 years ago. Back then, the only way to get information was through word of mouth or online forums, and we all know the trolls that hang out on online forums. So this channel was created for all of you aspiring aviators, and if you have questions about airplane systems or the pilot career in Canada, leave them down in the comments below. Consider joining our aviation community, and I hope to see you in the next video.